Hello, I'm Princess. So I had to show you my concealer makeup. So here we go. First, I have this a G color makeup. So this I have a foundation here, or makeup tools. This is a shadow. This a shadow. And I have a plastic plate, barbecue stick, or you can have a popsicle stick, cutter, or herbal stick. And I have this, a Jergens Skin Smoothing. So here we go. And a box. We put in the concealer makeup in this box. Plastic box. And I have a mat here. So first, we scratch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we put it. Picture. And second, we put a Jergens Skin Smoothing. Sorry for that. So this is darker. So more darker than it. So we smudge it like that. And to go, you have a concealer makeup. So here we go. Put it in this container. Yeah, this is more darker than we need. So this. And clean, 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 clean. So here we go. Ta-da! We have a concealer makeup. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hello, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe me. Kitty Princess, bye.